Hello makeup lover and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've already been here before. If not, my name is Malene. I'm a Danish makeup artist living in Barcelona in Spain. And today I decided to make two different looks, as you can see, and I pulled out my Midnight Sun, also known as, whoops, I was about to drop it, also known as the Mothership VI from Pat McGrath. I'm going to show you the color so you can see what we're working with. And don't be alarmed if you have the same palette and it's all black. This is just a special edition from Selfridges, but it's the same colors. So anyways, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you have any comments or you have any good ideas for future content, please put it in the comment box. If you would like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Now let's go ahead and do some makeup, shall we? I primed my eyes with the Pat McGrath concealer in the color Light 7. I'm going to start with using the reference number 2 and putting some highlight under the brows here. I dipped my reference number 16 into some Taboo, and that color I'm going to use in my crease here as a transition color. I dipped into the same color again, and only on the tip of the brush, and I'm gonna go back and deepen it up a little bit using windshield wiper motions here in the crease. I'm going to use the same color and the same brush under my eye. I might as well do that to begin with too. So that's done with. Blending it into the color on the upper part of my eye area here. I'm now taking the darkest color in the palette, the Extreme Dusk, and I put it on the tip of my number 14 reference brush, and I'm just putting it in the outer corner to start with. And going into the middle of the eyelid here, close to the lash line. Going in once again, same brush, same color. Deepening it up here, and then I'm gonna go and take it up to the crease here. And if you feel that it's a little bit too dark, you can always take the other color and use that on top and blend it out. Same brush, same color. Under the eyes, I'm just gonna pinch the brush and then take like the outer 1/3. Concentrating the color mostly here on the outer part, outer corner of the eye, so to speak. Now for some Wicked Envy, my favorite color in the palette, the green one. I am putting it on with my ring finger. I am just sort of like dabbing it on here. Pressing it on ever so gently. Just covering most of the eyelid, but not the inner corner. So this is what we have so far. I dipped the Refer 21 brush into some Jubilee. It's the golden light shade. And I'm just putting it on the inner part of the lid here. Blending it into the green. I have now taken a bit of the same color, Jubilee, on the same brush, 21 Refer, and I'm gonna put it in the, on the, under the eye here, like so. I did some tightlining with the Pat McGrath Black Coffee Eye Pencil Eyeliner, and I put some mascara on the fetish eyes. Now I'm just gonna blend out the concealer. And I'm gonna put on some falsies. And here is the finished look now with some eyelashes on. If you want to spice it up a little bit, you can put some glitter in the inner corner, the lightest color here. Just dabbing it on with Refer number 3, like so. I primed my other eye with the Pat McGrath concealer as well. And I'm gonna do a little bit more sparkly evening party eye. Like I did with the other eye, I'm gonna start with some highlighter under my brows here. And now we're ready. I'm gonna start with Taboo and the Refer number 16 brush. I'm gonna do the same as I did with the other eye. I'm just gonna start by putting it in the crease and blending it upwards a little bit here. In circular motions and windshield wiper motions. Then I'm dipping it into the darker and a little bit reddish kind of color. It's like a terracotta kind of color. The Vermilion Venom. And I'm starting here in the outer corner, outer part. And I'm just moving it into the inner part here also. And blending it upwards and mixing it into Taboo. This is what we have so far. I'm gonna take a little bit more to deepen up the crease and make the color a little bit more intensive. Like so. Now I'm gonna deepen up the outer corner of my eyelid with some extreme dusk on my Refer number 14. And I'm just concentrating on the outer corner here. Like so. I'm now taking the coppery bronzy shade and I'm just using my ring finger and dabbing it on. You have to be careful with this because it can be really flaky. So just press it onto the eyelid. I'm gonna put some Vermilion Venom under the eyes. I'm just using the 21 brush, the tip of that, and putting the shadow on and using it as an eyeliner. I dipped into the flaky lightest color in the palette, and I'm just gonna use that as an inner corner effect also on this eye, and blending it upwards and down here. Like so. Here is a look with some mascara on and some tight lining and a little bit of the Vermilion Venom on the waterline here. I'm gonna put on some falsies and come back. Here you see the final look with some false lashes on. I'm gonna zoom you out so you can see the whole face. Here you have it all zoomed out so you can see the full face with the two different looks. As you can see, I put a little something on my lips, and it's Opulust from Pat McGrath in the color Dreamscape. Anyways, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, or if you have any good ideas for future content, please put it in the comment box. Also, if you like videos like this and would like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Anyways, it was a pleasure having you here, and thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video. I hope to see you soon again. Have an awesome day. Bye. Mwah!